Are you in the market for a super powerful portable battery bank? Well, then this may be just right for you. And in this sponsor video, sponsored by EcoFlow, I'm going to talk about the EcoFlow Rapid Pro Power Bank. This is the 27K model, and it's got tremendous amount of power, lots of wattage. It can charge up to 4 devices at once. It has a built-in cable attached to it, so you can charge with that directly up to 140 watts. And it has a cool LCD readout on the screen. In addition to that, it even has app support as well. So if that sounds good, then let's take a look at the rest of this video. And if you're interested, I've got a link in the description. It'll take you to the site and you can pick one up. But let's dive in and take a look at it. So here we have the EcoFlow Rapid Power Bank. This is the 27K model, simultaneous charging of 140 watts at the same time. You can charge two at the same time, which is crazy. It has a built-in retractable USB-C cable, and then it has the app support as well, so you can monitor the charging and efficiency and everything that's going on while you're charging it. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box here. The EcoFlow Rapid Power Bank has a lot of great features, including charging up to 300 watts at once. So you can charge up to 4 different devices at one time. So up here you've got the 140 watt out, in and out here as well. So you can charge this up to 140 or charge out if you're charging another device. And these are output only up to 65 watts. And then you have the retractable power cord on the back. This is in or out. And this is 140 watts. So you've got 240 watt outputs at once, which is pretty incredible. And then you have this nice extendable retractable charging cable as well. So it just winds right back up into the charging brick itself, which is really cool. One other cool thing about the power bank is that you can charge it recharge it up to 320 watts of power. So it does 300 watts output, and then you can recharge it up to 320 watts. So if you have the desktop charger as well, which is pretty neat, you can see here it's got USB-C charging on the bottom. You've got your high power output, and then even USB-A. You've got the pogo pin adapter. You can recharge this up to 320 watts. So it recharges it insanely fast. And that's a nice accessory to have for at home. You put it on your desktop, all that good stuff. And then you can recharge everything all over again. But it's got a total of 27,650 milliamps. It's air travel friendly, which is super nice because some battery banks you can't carry on airplanes. This one gives you plenty of charging power. You can carry it on the airplane, and even has app support as well with the Smart Power, the EcoFlow app. So you can do control different things on here, like the management for the power and also monitoring and things like that. So that's super nice. And then you've got superior and safe performance with EcoFlow X Core 3.0. It's continually monitoring heat and things like that and power going in and out. So it makes sure you have a nice, safe charging experience. And the thing I like about it most is the ability to charge so many devices at once. So you can be charging your MacBook Pro. If you've got a secondary laptop, you can be charging that with the charging port here, and then you can be charging your phone, your earbuds, all up to 300 watts. It's crazy, and 240 watt out at the same time. So I mean, you could be charging your Nintendo Switch 2. You could also be simultaneously charging your MacBook Pro. You could be charging your gaming laptop, like whatever it is. It's such a versatile product that gives you the ability to charge so much stuff all at once and at high rates of speed. So that way you can keep your products charged while you're using them, or to charge them quickly so you can get that full charge and get back on the go again. It's also nice that it's sleek. And again, I absolutely love the retractable power cord on the bottom. A lot of times, you've got a charging brick, but then you got to carry a charging cable as well. Or do you have a high-speed charging cable? You don't have to worry about any of that stuff because it's all right here, straight built into the power bank. And I think that's really cool. Here's a brief demonstration with the desktop charging base as well. So you can see here charging at 244 watts right now, and I'm at 51%. It says it'll take 12 minutes. 12 minutes to get this fully charged, which is insane. And then also, for good measure, here's the 25 watt bank as well. So they do make a smaller one that's also very capable, has charging cable built in, the retractable one, and then it's got the ports over here on the side. So this is the 25K, and then this is the 27K, along with the home charging station as well, which has plenty of its own charging capabilities, like I talked about earlier. But they really do have a full complementary set of home and portable charging stuff that keep you powered whether you're at home, to get you recharged quick, fast, and in a hurry. And that's one thing I love about this. One of the problems with charging banks is it just takes so long to charge them sometimes. This 320 watts of charging power and just seeing how quickly that it can recharge is, I mean, it's insanity to me. Every 11 minutes left, it's already several more percentage charged. So that's great. And then you can buy the cheaper model if you want with a little bit lesser capability, and then the home dock as well. So lots of great stuff going on here. One of the things I like the most is being able to charge multiple products at once. So I've got my MacBook Pro here charging, I've got my Galaxy Book over there charging, and then I'm also using the EcoFlow Rapid Pro USB-C charging cable. It's nylon braided, and it's rated for up to 240 watts. It's a 6-foot cable, so that's super nice too. And then you see over there, we've got the retractable cable. I've got the EcoFlow cable as well, and then some multiple charging stuff going on here. So it really is nice and tons of power to be able to do this. So that's all I've got on the EcoFlow Rapid Pro Power Bank. Again, this is the 27K model. They've got the home station. They got the 25K model. This one right here is incredibly impressive, up to 300 watts output charging, charge up to 4 devices at once, charge up to 2 large devices at once, up to 140 watts. The retractable power cord. It's got the pogo pins on the bottom for the home desktop charger, which can recharge up to 320 watts, and we saw like it's incredibly fast charging speed. Normally it's $219. It's on sale for $179, so that's a great option if you're interested in pick one up at a discount. I've got a link in the description. It'll take you to the website if you want to pick one up, if you think this is something that you're interested in. But that's all I got. It's a solid power bank. It's a really good charging option for on the go, and especially if you're a traveling professional, somebody like me who has a bunch of phones and laptops and stuff you need to charge all the time. That's why I was happy to make the video, because this is actually going to benefit me really well. I've got a lot of trips coming up. It's going to go in my bag. It's going to be going with me as I go and travel to some different events where I need some serious charging on the go. So that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all that stuff, please, of course, go to the comments section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.